While the markets are bleeding out, our base mascot, the blue cat on base, has been holding really well. And mind you guys, it's holding a really strong area right now. And I hope it continues to hold the line here. What is going on, everybody? My name is Ro. If you guys are new around here, I talk about crypto every single day. And as for the blue cat, named after Satoshi Nakamoto, named after Brian Armstrong's pet, we talk about Toshi every other day. So if you're part of the Toshi community and you like these, you like these uploads about Toshi 3-4 times a week, make sure you guys subscribe. You hit the bell notification so you get notified right away when I talk about it. And you like this video so YouTube actually pushes it out to the algorithm a little bit more. Guys, the amount of retail interest in crypto is not at a peak yet. And I'm telling you guys, when that money flows in, you are going to see your bags 10x, 20x, 30, 40, 50x. So make sure you guys, do all that fun stuff. And let's get right into today's video. So right off the bat here, this project really just caught my eye, guys, honestly, because in a sea of red today, we're seeing a lot of downwards momentum. We saw a lot of volume, right? I want to be honest. We saw a lot of volume leave the base ecosystem and go into the Binance ecosystem. I don't know if you guys have been up to date with everything that's going on. CZ has been very big over on X. Aster has been very big on X. And because of that, guys, you're seeing a lot of money flow into projects that are built on the Binance Smart Chain. And just over last night, we saw a major crash in a lot of Binance projects. Okay, let me show you guys over here. There's some projects that I've been keeping an eye on, and a lot of those got absolutely hammered. You can see here, majority of these guys, let's see, trending in the last 6 hours. Okay, let's do the last 24. Right, a lot of these have gone hammered, guys. There was one Chow Chow. You can see here down in the last 24 hours, down 57%. This project down 63%. 53%, 75, 46, 52. A lot of projects down 88 to 83, 72. A lot of projects have been getting hammered recently on the Binance Smart Chain. Could this be where we finally revert back from the Binance Smart Chain back to base? Potentially could be the play here. And obviously, guys, one of the plays that I'm keeping an eye on for that is Toshi, right? In the last 24 hours, holding strong. In the last 7 days, up 18%. And even though we're at $400 million market cap, we actually rallied to about 440 just yesterday, which is absolutely massive. On the news of obviously that OKX listing, which we did cover, I think 2 days ago, volume has had a spike. You can see up 100% in the last 24 hours at 160 million. We're almost at more or less very close to 50% of the overall market cap is being traded just within the volume there, which is super exciting. And Toshi, guys, is a play that we are extremely bullish on. Right, we believe in the long-term success of Toshi. There's no doubt in my mind, guys, that this is a play that in the long run is going to do you guys well. We've been covering Toshi for a really long time. I mean, guys, not daily, but we've been talking about Toshi well over a year ago. It's probably one of the first plays that I ever mentioned on this channel as well. If you guys remember me from all the way back then hey, shout out to you guys. And honestly, guys, the overall crypto market right now, Bitcoin is back at 120K, down 3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum down 5%. Looks like the fear and greed index is having a little bit of a correction. What I hope to see is us hold the $4 trillion mark for the overall crypto space. That would be golden, right? If we could do that, that would honestly be so dope, guys, because we weren't able to do that before, right? We broke above the $4 trillion mark, but every time we've done that, we kept retesting 3.7, the $3.8 million range. Now, this is the overall crypto market, right? What I would love to see, fellas, is obviously we broke out over that 4 trillion. A retest of that 4 trillion would be ideal, and then lock it in as a very strong support area. That would be ideal for the crypto market. That would be what I want to see kind of play out. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on that. And obviously, guys, as it does that, as the price as the overall crypto market goes down, you're going to want to position yourself into some of these plays. We're not even having, like, this is just this is a small correction. This isn't anything terrible, so don't overreact. But if you guys are looking for what plays you should be dollar cost averaging into to make the most amount of gains in this last quarter, then make sure you guys join the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord where you guys get access to my buy and sell calls. Okay, literally anytime I make a move in the market, you guys will be notified right away. Um, We actually called some bangers on Binance the other day, and they ran on to do 5-6x returns because the Binance Smart Chain was hot in the last couple of days. Those same plays, obviously, we told our community to take profits. We do that, and they got hammered today, right? A lot of those plays went to nothing today, but the people in the Discord obviously did eat. They made their gains off it. Now, if you want to be a part of that, guys, make sure you guys join the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord. Again, if you want to be a part of a community of investors who are all bouncing ideas off of each other and are after the same exact goal that you guys are, make sure you guys join. I'm telling you, it will be worth it. Obviously, past profits don't guarantee future results, but hey, just join up. Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, OKX, Upbit, BitThumb, Revolut, which is huge, Binance US, and very soon I'm expecting a full-on Binance listing. You can see here the price of Toshi broke over that 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is golden. Now, what I want to see again, like I was telling you guys, is a retest maybe of that 0.618 and then a move towards the upside. I mean, we don't really have to, but you can see we've been on a pretty good upward trend since the beginning of the year, guys, since January. It's been holding up really well. This upward trend line, I can see it only continuing only continuing to grow as we get into the next year. Obviously, I've been very vocal. I think that the all-time high for this year or for this cycle is going to happen in 2025. But if I'm wrong, then hey, I would love to be wrong. But again, I am still looking to take profits sometime in Q4 of 2025 if things do look like they are peaking out around here, okay? Now, Toshi is a meme coin on Base named after Brian Armstrong's cat. One thing I will say is make sure you guys are following Toshi over on X, right? Stay up to date, guys, with the most recent information about the project so you could be educated investors. That is the one thing that I'm trying to do, is make people in my community who watch me educated in the crypto space. AVNT and Toshi are now available on OKX in the US. The Blue Cat community, Toshi, and the Universal Leverage Layer, Avantisfy? Is that what it's called? I don't 100% know. Toshi is the most searched meme coin on Coinbase. This is huge, by the way. The fact that it has more searches than a $3 billion meme coin. Wow, I didn't even know Dogecoin. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's how much volume it's doing in Base. Okay, that makes sense. Dogecoin, it has more searches than a $37 billion meme coin. That is absolutely crazy. Everything below Toshi, it literally is in the billions of dollars, but yet Toshi is the one that is the most searched up. There's a lesson in there. Toshi clean retesting the pump. Now MACD is almost crossing to go back up again, back to the level of 0.0011. This is a 1 week chart for Toshi, not getting enough attention. Great looking setup over here. You really can't compare Toshi to anything else. Crypto markets are bleeding while the king, right, of Base is holding strong. Toshi is the next Toshi. I like that comparison. Listen, guys, you can't really compare it to anything else because it's a cat, first of all. There aren't too many cats that are doing well in this meme coin space. A lot of it is dogs, so maybe Toshi is the one that's going to take the throne. Let me know if you guys think Toshi is the face or the mascot of the Base ecosystem, and if you think it's better than Brett. Comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, and peace out, guys.